5 interesting facts about ostriches you didn't know. Number 1. Ostriches are incredibly fast, sprinting up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, and taking huge 10 to 16-foot strides to escape predators like lions. Number 2. Their eyes are huge, nearly 2 inches across, giving them excellent vision to spot danger across the savanna. Number 3. Ostriches lay largest eggs in the animal kingdom, with a single egg weighing as much as 24 chicken eggs. Number 4. A single powerful kick from an ostrich can be fatal to predators, making them formidable defenders. Number 5. Ostriches have only 2 toes on each foot, a unique bird trait, and while they don't bury their heads in sand, they can stretch their necks low to the ground to blend in and hide.